Hey everyone! Today, we are going to show you how to use the Add to Cart button to your WooCommerce single product page with Essential Addons and no Elementor Pro needed. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure that your Essential Addons, Elementor, Templately and WooCommerce plugin is activated, and your WooCommerce store is set up. First, go to Essential Addons from the sidebar and select Elements. Then toggle it on to enable the widget and click on the Save Settings button. Let's see how to create a WooCommerce product page template with the Essential Addons Add to Cart widget and customize it. For that, click on Templately, and after that, click Theme Builder. Then go to the Product Single tab and click on Add New Template button on top. Then select Elementor as your builder and choose Product Single as the template type. Provide a name for your template and hit the Create Template button. The template will be created. Click on the Edit with Elementor. This will take you to the Elementor Editor panel, where you can design the product page. Now search for Woo Add to Cart in the Widget panel, then drag and drop it onto your page. In the Content tab, you'll find advanced customization options. First, you'll need to choose the type of product you're working with. The default is simple product, but you can configure it for other types like group product, external/affiliate product, or variable product. Customize the button text, change the icon, and even show or hide the quantity and cart icon from the provided fields. Now let's style the cart button. Here's where you can get creative. First up is the button section. You can adjust the button's width, text alignment, background color, padding, and even the border radius to match your site's design. From quantity, you can modify spacing, typography, and colors. Perfect for customizing the quantity field appearance. When working with variable products, the variations section lets you style the drop-downs or select fields. Finally, the cart icon section lets you adjust its size, gap, and color to fit your site's aesthetics. Do you want to customize it even further? Explore the Advanced tab and make changes in margin, padding, index, etc. Then, hit on the Publish button. Next, set the display conditions for the template. Click on the Add New Condition button. Select the Include condition from the first drop-down. Choose the Singular option from the next drop-down. Then, select Product from the various options. Pick the All option from the last drop-down. Finally, hit the Save and Close button. And there you go. With just a few simple steps, you've added and styled a fully customized Add to Cart button to your WooCommerce single product page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.